Hey there Safari fam, welcome back to Lens Through Africa and welcome back to the Southern African Bird Calls Challenge, challenge number 7. If this is your first time coming across one of these challenges, go back to the Lens Through Africa channel homepage, click on challenge number 1 to play along from the start. If you've been playing along from the beginning, you know the rules. You're welcome to pause or rewind if you want to listen to a call again, but no checking your bird apps for audio identification. The most important rule for this challenge is to have fun. This challenge series, as mentioned before, was made in partnership with Newman's Birds of Southern Africa. The Newman's Birds of Southern Africa app is, in my opinion, one of the best apps for beginner and amateur birders. Check out the link in description. Hope you're ready. The 5 easy calls are about to start. Easy 1. Red-faced mousebird. Easy 2. Chin spot batis. Easy 3. Speckled pigeon. Easy 4. Magpie shrike. Easy 5. Black cuckoo. Medium 1. Yellow-billed oxpecker. Medium 2. Pied kingfisher. Medium 3. African wood owl. Medium 4. Purple roller. Medium 5. Coqui Franklin. Hard 1. Cinnamon breasted bunting. Hard 2. Sombre green bull. Hard 3. Common button quail. Hard 4. Shelley's Franklin. And finally hard 5. Narina trogon. Fun fact. The pied kingfisher can easily be identified by its black and white coloring, black crest, and long black beak, often with a white underbeak. They can often be seen when hunting, flying from a lower branch, and hovering dead still in the air with their eyes focused on the water. Once they catch a fish, they will return to the same log that they took off from. And just like that, challenge 7 comes to an end. See you for challenge number 8. If you enjoyed this challenge series, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment down below if you learned anything new as well as with your score. See you soon.